This one was leaking too.
Must have been. It must have been just beginning of 2019. I must have had this replaced.
What was that?
I think it was the beginning of 2019 I had this replaced.
The second time?
Yeah. With the A&E.
Yeah. It's not A&E anymore.
Yeah, I was hoping to drop it off at the shop this time, but. Had you worked for them or
This is
contracted?
This is actually my second week
Oh, okay.
with them.
Was
I've been
it
doing this for
NuVision?
yeah, with NuVision. I've been doing this for about 18 years.
Uh-huh.
But I have worked for Josh, which is one of the owners of NuVision,
Okay.
like 5 years ago.
Okay.
And I recently moved with them. I started working on May 3rd, which was last week, my birthday. Yeah, the technicians, that's a whole different story now.
The what? Technician?
Yeah, technicians are different. It's not the same people.
Okay.
He likes quality work,
Uh-huh.
not this junk that they did on this. Like us, I moved for another company that they were paying me a little bit